Here we have a BMW 5 Series we're performing a wash on today. We have already hit it with the pre-soak and I'm going around with the pressure wash rinse right now. Getting ready for our contact wash. And now we're on to the contact wash on all the top parts of the vehicle. We're working our way down towards the midsection of the sides, followed by all the way down at the bottom. The wheel line is what I like to call it, working its way back, finishing with the back of the vehicle here. So here we go. If you guys haven't done so already, go to my page, give my page a quick subscribe so you guys can stay up to date on new videos that come out. If you guys have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you guys would like to see some type of specific washes or cleanings, but please check out my page for more videos on King's Classic Detailing. After the wheels and tires, we'll give it one last spray down. We'll go ahead and finish off with our hand drying, starting with the top parts of the vehicle, working towards the midsection, and working our way down to the bottom. The last thing here, we're going to finish up by dressing up the tires here with a little bit of shine. And as always, don't forget your door jams. Make sure you open your doors up after your washes, get inside the door jams, clean those out, no water spots or dirt left behind, and gives a nice finished look. And that finishes up another wash here from King's Classic Detailing. Tap that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.